Okay, good morning, my dear students. Let us continue this formal letter. Yesterday we had seen about the rules and regulations, how to write the formal letters. Now let us see, because formal letter, why it means most of the letters of formal letters. It means we have seen that subjects. So this is the formal letter. Now see here. Imagine you are the captain of your school and you are invited a classical music singer as the chief guest for the annual day functions. Write a letter of your invitation to a famous classical singer. So being a CR, class representative, so it is your responsibility to invite the chief guest, because you are the head of your school, and so the annual day function to be held in the next month, and that's why it is for this purpose you are going to invite that the chief guest, and who is a classical singer for the annual day function. Now let's see here. And write on short, what are the points here about your school, about the annual day program, the students' interest and love for music, and the invitations. So these are the clues to write the letter. And so how it should be the format of the formal letters. Now see here. So being a captain, you are going to invite the chief guest through the letter. So how to be write the official letter, how to be write the formal letters. Let us see here. So this is when you write from the top of the left corner. Just you have to start to write the address and date. So address and date, it must be mentioned by you, and when you are going to write the formal letters. Now see here, what is the your school's address. No need to write actual school's name. Now you can choose any name of your school. Now this is Model High School, Bandra Kurla Complex, Bandra East, Mumbai 400111, and today's date is 20th October 2020. So this is the actual date today. What is the date today? 20th. So you must mention the date which you are going to write the letter. Suppose you are going to solve the paper in the next year, means the March. So what will be the date? 3rd March, suppose. So 3rd March 2021. This will be the date by you. Okay. So this is the today's date. If you don't mention, if you forget to mention the date, so you will lose your marks. So date must be mentioned by you. And now see here too. John, means what is the here John? He as a singer. So you are going to write the address of that who is the receiver your letter. So who is the receiver now? John, Lakshman Lane, Juhu, Mumbai 400111. This is the address of the receiver. This is the address of the sender. So you must mention in the formal letter the writer's address and the what I can say, and the receiver's address. It is must mentioned by you. Now see here, write from your left side. Right from your left side, you must the date and address and the sender's address and the receiver's address. You must one below the sender's address. Now see here, to the left side of the just right from the margin. Now see here, subject must mention by you, because what is the subject. Means you are invited for the classical singer. So invitation for our school annual day. With the short, that subject must be mentioned by you in short. So invitation. It is an invitation for our school annual day. Now, dear sir or respected sir. It is a salutation must be mentioned by you. And it is the rule to to salute. Now, dear sir, our school enjoys a good reputation in the city. It has an excellent task record not only in academics but also in a cultural our school purpose to have its annual day function. So means the annual day function to be held in the next month, and it is one of the reputed schools in Mumbai, and so you are organized one of the most biggest events in academic year, and so that's why you are invited one of the reputed classical singer to our annual day function as a chief guest. Now see here, this year function this year on the which day you are going to be held that the function functions this year on the 1st November 2020 from 11 onwards. So that's why the chief guest must be arrived at a sharp time, and so you are going to detail about the starting the function, annual day function in your school. Now see here, so in the school premises, that is the venue. What is the venue here? In the school premises, means that is the most important. The theme of this year event, rhymes, rhythms. And what is the name of the event? Rhythms. So you may mention another name of this event, but now see here rhythm, because you are going to invite the one of the singer, classical singer. So that's why. What is the name of the event this year? Rhythms. Now see here, and so we are overwhelmed by the impact of your music has made on the lives of everyone. So because we are the lover of music, and that's why, so we want to hear your music, your voice, your melodious voice, and that's why we are going to invite as a chief guest for our function. So means about the time, about the venue, about means that programs. So you must mention by you in the formal letters. Now see here, I hope you will let us know of our availability at the earliest. Thanking you in anticipation. Yours sincerely, John. So now how do we conclude the letter? So I hope you can add some of the lines after this paragraph. So you must make the paragraphs 2 or 3, because it is a formal letter, because subject must become by you, must be right by you, and another or that the body of the letter must be mentioned by you, about the timing, about the venue, and then after that how to be conclude the letter. Now see here, so how you are going to conclude the letter. Now see here, I hope you will let us know of our availability at the earliest, and then thanking you in anticipation. And so now how should we write here? Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. It will be concluded by this word. Yours sincerely or yours truly. And yours sincerely, because you are the students. That's why you mention by this by you are sincerely, and you are you means you are sincerely John means captain. Like this. See here. This is the formal letter to be right by you. Okay. So that's it for today.